Understanding the assignment requirements is crucial for a successful outcome. Research extensively to gather relevant information and data for your assignment. Create a detailed outline to organize your thoughts and structure your assignment effectively. Start writing early to avoid last-minute rush and give yourself time for revisions. Ensure proper citations and references following the required formatting style. Proofread your assignment carefully to eliminate errors and improve clarity. Seek feedback from peers or instructors to improve the quality of your assignment. Use clear language and concise writing to effectively communicate your ideas. Stay focused on the main topic and avoid going off track in your assignment. Maintain a logical flow of ideas and arguments throughout your assignment. Address any counter-arguments or potential objections within your assignment. Use examples and evidence to support your points and strengthen your arguments. Ensure that each paragraph contributes to the overall coherence of your assignment. Consider the perspective of your audience while crafting your assignment. Proofread once again to catch any remaining errors or inconsistencies. Edit for clarity, ensuring that your ideas are presented in a coherent manner. Avoid plagiarism by citing all sources and giving credit where it's due. Incorporate feedback from others to refine and enhance the quality of your assignment. Utilize online tools for grammar checking and enhancing the quality of your writing. Review the assignment guidelines one last time before submitting to ensure adherence. Prepare a compelling introduction and conclusion to engage readers throughout your assignment. Organize your thoughts logically to present a coherent argument in your assignment. For more information, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get a notification of our latest video. To get help for your assignment writing, you can connect with our experts at our WhatsApp number. Good luck with your academic journey.